how much money is wasted in your tuition.
So as you can see, dito talaga pumupunta yung tuition natin, ano? Kahit wala ng klase, nakabukas pa rin yung aircon. As always, you know, privileged f***s.
This is where your tuition goes, guys. Unused space.
There's so many useless areas here in the LSU that I don't know why I'm paying for that.
Another thing I want to point out, bro. Where am I supposed to park?
Ewan ko talaga, parang Green Hills lang talaga, bro. There's no difference, pare.
Am I paying for this painting, bro? Did I pay for this shit? Hey, I need my money back, bro.
Kung may chopper lang ako, pinark ko dyan sa taas ng Henry C. Kung may helipad lang eh. We're going to my parking lot kasi walang parking lot sa DLSU eh.
Welcome to the west side, motherfucker. It's very clean.
Bro, ang layo. Naiinis na ako ah. Hindi taga dito yun eh. SPIA yan, SPIA.
Ano is Pia?
Why are you guys wearing matching t-shirts?
Great minds think alike.
Capital potholes of the Philippines.
Best barbecue in town, honestly.
Every time I eat there, I get diarrhea. Feeling ko makukulong na tayo, pre. Tigilan natin.
Ano na po yung tuition niyo?